Hi everyone, this is the Starry Master. In this class, we will continue our mathematical series and we will see the 10th question from exercise 1.3, chapter relation and function. So let's go into the video. Here in the 10th question, the question is the data in the adjacent table depict the length of women's forehead. Length of women's forehead are given in this column and her corresponding height are given in this column. Based on this data, a student find a relationship between height y and forehead length x has y is equal to ax plus b, where a comma b are constant. So length is x and height equal to y. Okay, so first question is asked here, check if the relation is a function. This relation is a function, so we have to make an arrow diagram. First of all, we have to make an arrow diagram. Make x is length and make an y. Okay, and enter the value 35, 45, 50, 55 and 56. This is y. Okay, 56, 65, 69.5, 74. So if x is equal to 35, then y is equal to 56. So make an arrow diagram of like this. So if x is equal to 45, then y is equal to 65. So make an arrow diagram like this. So 50, 69.5, 55 like that. As it is a function, yes, it is a function because every element of x has exactly one image on y. So it is a function. It is a function. Okay. Next, ask find a and b. So there was a given an equation y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. Then asks us to find a and b. So first we take this value 35 and 56. Y is equal to 56. So 56 is equal to a we have to find, we don't know, and the value of x is 35 plus value of b we don't know, we have to find it. Okay, then we will write like this format. See, 35a plus b equal to 56. Okay, let's take this as equation 1. Then we will take in second value and substitute in this equation. Okay, so 65, but the value of y equal to 65 is equal to a of the value of x 45 plus b. So let's take 45a plus b equal to 65. Take the equation 2 and write equation 1 and 2 here. Equation 1, 35a plus b equal to 56. Then equation 2, 45a plus b equal to 65. Okay, so we need to remove b, so we can find a. So we will change the symbol of this 3. So we will change the symbol to minus. So plus b minus b will be removed. So remaining minus 50 plus into minus should be minus, big number is minus, so minus 45 minus 34, 35. So 10a equal to here minus 9. Okay, 65 minus 54, big number is 65, so minus 9. So remove minus minus here, so 10a equal to 9. Okay, so a equal to 9 by 10 equal to 0.9. A equal to 0.9 we have found. So we will substitute this 0.9 in equation 1. 35 the value in equation 1. Okay, 35 in the place of a we will replace with 0.9 plus b equal to 56. The multiplication with this is 31.5 plus b equal to 56. So b equal to 56. Let's take this as this side. So plus will come that side minus 31.5. So b is equal to 24.5. So we have found a as well as b. Here it asks, find the height of woman whose forehead length is 40 cm. Height, we know height is y and length is x. So asking to find y. So the equation that are given is y equal to ax plus b. The value of a we have found 0.9 and value of b is 24.5 we have found. Okay, so we have to substitute in that. So y equal to the value of a is 0.9, x the value given here is 40 centimeter plus value of b is 24.5. So y equal to 36 plus 40 into 0.9 is 36 plus 24.5. Then y equal to 60.5. So height equal to 60.5 inches. Okay, we have found height. Here asked, find the length of the forehead of a woman if her height is 53.3 inches. So we have to find x, y is given. So y equal to ax plus b we know. So we have to substitute in that. So value of y is 53.3 given question and the value of a we already know 0.9. The value of x we have to find plus value of b given 24.5. Okay, so we have to take this value in this side. Okay, 53.3 minus 24.5. If plus 24 comes this side, minus 24 equal to 0.9x. So 53.3 minus 24.5 equal to 28.8 equal to 0.9x. Okay, so we have to divide 0.91 time 32 times. So x is equal to 32. So therefore length is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay, that's it. So from the next class we will start our new exercise 1.4. So keep watching our video. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends and leave a comment. I will post my videos often. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.